Good morning, student. Today I am going to start exercise 3.3. 3.3 question number 1, in which quadrants are on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, 5 lie. This is question mark. Verify your answer. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Student, I think you have read the question with me. In which quadrants or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lies. Student, to know coordinates means the value of abscissa and value of ordinate. Value of abscissa and value of ordinate. This is value of x and this is value of y. So there is a need of x axis and y axis. There is a need of x axis and y axis and the quadrant. So I am going to draw this x axis and y axis. See, x O x dash, y O y dash. Okay, x O x dash x axis, y O y dash is y axis. Student, the value of x on y axis is 0 and the value of y on x axis is 0. If suppose that you will find the value of y on x axis, then on x axis value of y is 0 above the x axis and below the x axis, the value of y is 0 and value of y, value of x on y axis is 0. You will keep in your mind, suppose that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, minus 10. Now from this the intersection point of x o x axis and y o y axis is known as origin, student, and on origin the value of x and y both are 0. So you know the coordinates of origin 0 0 on x axis y is 0, on y axis x is 0, because everything start from this point, and I have fixed a number from 1 to 10 at equidistance on x axis in right side of origin and left side of origin, just like number line, and this is also you have located as a number line y o y dash, right side plus, left side minus. Okay. Now you see the question, in which quadrant? There are 4 quadrants. There are 4 quadrants. This is first quadrant, and first quadrant abscissa and ordinate both are plus. In second quadrant abscissa is minus, because value of x is minus and ordinate plus. Okay. In third quadrant, this is first quadrant and this is second quadrant and this is third quadrant. The x is minus, abscissa is minus and ordinate is also minus. In third quadrant ordinate and abscissa both will be minus. In fourth quadrant x is plus, abscissa is plus and ordinate is minus. Okay. So you will give the answer easily. In which quadrant and which axis do each of the points? Minus 2 4. Student, minus 2 4 will lies in which quadrant? You see, minus plus, minus 2 4, minus and plus. In which quadrant this is? Student, in second quadrant. In second quadrant, minus 2 4 lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 lies in 3 minus 1. You see, this is plus and this is minus. In fourth quadrant, abscissa is plus, ordinate is minus. So 3 minus 1 lies in fourth quadrant. Now we see minus 1 0, minus 1 0. Value of x is minus 1, value of x is minus 1, value of y is 0. So value of y on x axis is 0. So lies on x axis. Now 1 2, 1 2, they both are plus. So the x and y both are plus in first quadrant. So lies in first quadrant. Student, now next point, minus 3 and minus 5, and last point, minus 3 and minus 5 lies in third quadrant, because x is minus, y is minus. Minus 3 minus 5 lies in third quadrant. Okay, students, I hope you have understand, and if any problem is there, you don't worry, never you don't worry. If any problem is there, you can ask to me and I will give you a clear solution. Now question number 2. Student, question number 2. to see question number 2. Plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. You see what given? This is a table, value of x, value of y, value of x minus 2, value of y 8, value of x minus 1, value of y 7, value of x 0, value of y minus 1.25, value of x 1, value of y 3, value of x 3, value of y minus 1. So, you have to plot the graph, plot the points, very easy, it is very easy. You see, you draw x axis and y axis, very easy student. Now, x O x dash and y O y dash. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. You see. Now, you have to plot the points x, y. X is minus 2 and y is 8. That is x, y. X, y means you can see here minus 2, 8, minus 1, 7, 0, minus 1.25, 1, 3 and 3 minus 1. These points you have to locate and plot. Now, minus 2 and the x will be minus 2 here and 8 is y in positive direction. So, you can locate this point here. This is minus 2 and 8. You can give the name as A. Now, minus 1, 7. Minus 1, 7. Minus 1 is here and 7 is here. So, you can locate here. This is minus 1 and 7. You can take it as B. Now, 0 and minus 1.25, 0, 0, x, value of x is 0, means this will be on y axis. If value of 0, abscissa is 0, then this point will be on y axis, So, value of y is given minus, then that will be below origin, below x axis. So, minus 1.25, that will be between minus 1 and 2. Between minus 1 and 2, somewhere it will be, then this point will be 0 and minus 1.25. You can take it as C. Now, 1, 3, 1 is plus and 3 is also plus. So, the point will be here 1, 3. You can take it as D. 3 minus 1, 3 is here, value of x, and minus 1 is here. So, you can write it as 3 minus 1, that is E. Okay, student, like this I completed this exercise 3.3. and hope you have understood. If not, you send me your feedback and comments, then I will clear your doubts, and you never worry about this any difficulties, because I am with you. Thank you.